Hey guys, so my hair grew. It grew all the way from 7 to 7.5 inches, all the way down to 9 inches. I was really excited, guys. I wasn't really expecting the outcome, but it came out quite alright and I was really happy. So just the way I calculated before I started this treatment, and this is after 9 inches from 7 inches, and so far remarkably my hair have grown considering where I started from, which is basically just 1 year plus. So I am really excited. So guys, to begin, I started by checking the length of my hair. So that is really important. If you're embarking on the natural hair journey, then I advise you now take pictures of your hair, or you check the length of your hair to know if your hair is really growing. So I just did a quick length check from the side, which gave me 7 inches, and to the middle. So now I'm using my onions to begin with. So I'm going to slice the onions. So after slicing the onions, this is what we have. Right now I'm going to be putting this into a blender. I'm going to add half a cup of water. And this is what it should look like after I added half a cup of water. So right now, this is the blended onion and water. Right now, I'm going to sieve out the onion juice from the onions. So I'm trying to be careful not to allow the chaff of the onions to get into the water. So this is what it looks like, guys. Ooh, and I love the consistency. So next thing I'm going to be doing is to apply this, but before then you want to go ahead to moisturize your hair. So I went ahead to use the Miracle Living conditioner, and then I used my Ultimate Soulmate cream, hair cream, and now I'm just going to massage my hair. So after doing that, this is my onion water. So I'm setting it out to apply on my hair. So gradually, I just opened it up and I am applying it all the way from my scalp down to my hair. Okay guys, so I decided to twist the hair, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cover it up with a plastic bag. I'm using a nylon, and after doing that I'm just going to wrap the hair up and leave it for a while. So I ended up leaving it for about few hours, and then I rinsed it with just plain water. So I tried not to wash it with shampoo or anything, because I wanted it to stay for so long, but the smell was really intoxicating. So I just had to rinse it with just plain water. So this is 1 week, guys, 1 week later, and right now I am just going to moisturize my hair. So I always make sure to check my hair whenever it is dried. I just try to moisturize and give it a quick massage. And that is what I'm going to do now. So here I'm going to lose my hair. So after losing it, I'm just going to guys, so when I started, my hair was really dried. It was extremely dried to begin with, even with the moisturizing throughout the week. But I love the length it's giving me. I love how it's looking because it looks healthy. So right now I'm just going to check from where we started from last week, just exactly how we checked. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to start from the roots all the way to the tips. And this is what we have, guys. 7 inches to 9 inches. Guys, I was really excited that I had to do it all over again so you can see and to show you how impressive it is. So I've been hearing about the onion juice boosting hair growth, and this is my first time trying it out, and I am really impressed with the outcome. So approximately the hair grew 4 inches in a year and half an inch or 1 inch in a month, and I was able to achieve 2 inches in just 7 days. So I went all the way from 7 inches to 9 inches in just 7 days, guys. This is really impressive. So I wasn't really expecting the outcome. I just wanted to try it out, and it really gave me the vibes. So here I just did a quick bun. As you can see, guys, the hair looks so healthy and it looks so beautiful. So let me know what you think about this video, guys, and if you're going to be trying this out, then let me know in the comment section, because all I see here, guys, is beauty, long hair, healthy hair, and that is the ultimate goal. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.